Dear friends, grab this opportunity. Come once in a life and become a master of your holistic wellness through this 5-step process. Step 1, know your body type. Step 2, list down all your physical and mental problems. Step 3, go through all the cleansing process step by step as per the guidelines. This cleansing process completely of your internal body parts and body organs. Step 4, follow asana practice, simple diet plan, enjoy medicine free, disease free life. Step 5, guys, provide the genuine feedback so that I can improve next time. Hi, my name is acharya Basudeo Pandit. I am medicine free and disease free from last 15 years and helped more than 10,000 busy professionals to regain their holistic wellness through this 5-step process. If you want to learn in depth about this 5-step process, then click the link below and join my upcoming live master class. I will see you inside the master class. Hurry up before I increase the prices for this master class, guys. Have a great day.